Abaziri mu district ya Kasese bino kutina kwa mani bonyuma yo kushangangwa Abeegi tibarikushoma mu kushoma omuri enyamaishwa n'obuhangwa ahitendekero rya government erya Uganda Wildlife Research and Training Institute erukushanga omuri katwe kabatoro mu district ya Kasese okurugera hari Robert Baruku or director w'itendekero kandi rya government Abeegi binge no batakozira ryo mu mashoma garuko banagetengwa.
Currently, especially Kasese district, we don't have many students there coming from within the locality. But I think the problem one is the minimum requirements, minimum entry requirements. That one limits them. First of all, they are science-based, and many times you find that many students coming within the district don't perform to that expectation.
Kasese district as large, we use this chance not to take our children outside the district, and yet we have the institution that is within the district that has come to help our children to have good education.
Baruku nagaruka jumerera batura bahirire hi n'amarindiro g'enyamaishwa ahabo kugumana bejumbiro mu kiga enyamaishwa mu marindiro gazo.
Poaching is always on the rise, and it is masterminded by the local people. It is masterminded by people who come from outside and then give our local people small benefits, and out of that they find themselves in the national park.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.